The world before and after dinosaurs was full of fascinating creatures. These ancient beasts have long sparked our curiosity. They lived in times very different from today. The Earth has always been a place of change. Mountains rose and fell, oceans moved and shifted. Prehistoric times stretch far back. There was life even before the mighty dinosaurs. Strange creatures roamed the land and sea. These periods are crucial to understanding life's history. They show us how diverse and adaptable life can be. Life on Earth evolved over millions of years. From tiny creatures, giant beasts emerged. Each era had its dominant species. These species were perfectly suited to their environments. By exploring these times, we learn about adaptation and survival. This essay will take you on a journey. We will explore life before the dinosaurs. Then we will look at the age of dinosaurs. Finally, we will see what came after their extinction. Join us in uncovering these ancient worlds. Before dinosaurs, the Earth was ruled by other creatures. This was a time long forgotten. It was the Paleozoic era. The Earth looked different then. It was covered with vast forests and swamps. The climate was warm and humid. In the seas, life flourished. Trilobites were one of the earliest creatures. They looked like giant bugs. They crawled on the ocean floor. Another sea creature was the ammonite. It had a spiral shell. These creatures were predators of the sea. On land, the first vertebrates appeared. These were the amphibians. They could live both in water and on land. Some of them were as large as crocodiles. Plants also started to grow taller. They formed the first forests. This era saw the rise of insects. Giant dragonflies flew in the air. Their wings were as wide as a human's arm. Life was slowly moving from water to land. These early creatures set the stage for future evolution. Then came the age of dinosaurs. This was the Mesozoic era. It is known as the age of reptiles. Dinosaurs dominated the Earth for over 160 million years. They lived in a world very different from today. The climate was warm, there were no ice caps. Lush jungles covered the land, deserts spread over vast areas. Dinosaurs came in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny Compsognathus to the gigantic Argentinosaurus. Some were fierce predators, others were gentle giants. Tyrannosaurus rex was one of the most famous. It was a fearsome hunter, with its sharp teeth and powerful jaws. In the skies, pterosaurs soared. They were not dinosaurs, but close relatives. The oceans teemed with marine reptiles like the Ichthyosaurus. Dinosaurs adapted to many environments. They lived on every continent. Their success is a mystery still being unraveled. But their reign ended suddenly. A massive asteroid impact led to their extinction. This marked the end of an era. The extinction of dinosaurs was a pivotal moment. It happened 66 million years ago. This event opened the door for new life forms. With dinosaurs gone, mammals began to rise. The Earth went through dramatic changes. Forests vanished and grasslands emerged. The climate cooled. Mammals were small during the age of dinosaurs, but without competition they grew larger. Some, like the woolly mammoth, roamed in herds. Birds also took to the skies. They evolved from small feathered dinosaurs. The ancestors of modern birds spread across the world. Meanwhile, the oceans saw new rulers. Sharks and whales began to dominate the seas. This was a time of rapid evolution. Life filled every available niche. New species emerged, adapting to the changing world. This era set the stage for the diversity we see today. It was a time of rebirth and new beginnings. Section 5. Resilient survivors. Life 50 million years after dinosaurs. 50 million years after dinosaurs, the Earth was thriving. It was the Eocene epoch. Mammals were now the dominant life forms. They diversified into many different species. This period saw the rise of early primates. They lived in trees, just like some modern monkeys. Horses also appeared. They were small and forest-dwelling then. The world was warm and covered in forests. In the oceans, new creatures thrived. The first whales began to appear. They were once land mammals. Over time, they adapted to life in the water. Birds, too, continued to evolve. They filled the skies with song and color. This epoch was crucial for the evolution of modern animals. It laid the groundwork for future species. The ancestors of many animals we know today first appeared here. This was a vibrant and dynamic time in Earth's history. Section 6. Evolutionary Marvels, Adaptation and Diversification. Adaptation is the key to survival. Throughout history, life has faced many challenges: climate changes, asteroid impacts, volcanic eruptions. Yet life finds a way to adapt and thrive. In the prehistoric world, creatures evolved in incredible ways. Dinosaurs developed armor for protection. Some grew feathers for warmth and display. Mammals developed different teeth for various diets. These adaptations help them survive in diverse environments. The process of evolution is slow but powerful. It can lead to amazing diversity, from the giant sauropods to tiny hummingbirds. Each species is a marvel of adaptation. Evolution is a never-ending journey. Diversification is also crucial. It helps species survive environmental changes. When one group thrives, it can lead to the evolution of new forms. This is how life continues to flourish on Earth. Adaptation and diversification are the engines of evolution. Section 7. The prehistoric environment, landscapes and climates. The prehistoric world was full of diverse environments. Each era had its unique landscapes and climates. This shaped the evolution of life. From swamps to deserts, each ecosystem had its inhabitants. During the Paleozoic era, vast swamps covered the land. These were home to giant insects and early amphibians. The Mesozoic era was warmer. It had lush forests and arid deserts. Dinosaurs adapted to these varied environments. After the dinosaurs, the Earth cooled. Grasslands replaced forests. Ice ages came and went. Mammals and birds adapted to these changes. They moved into new habitats and evolved new traits. Climate has always been a driving force in evolution. It influences which species thrive or go extinct. The Earth's climate has changed many times. Each change brings new challenges and opportunities for life. Section 8. Fossils and discoveries unlocking the past. Fossils are windows into the past. They reveal the history of life on Earth. Fossils are the remains of ancient organisms. They tell us about long-extinct species. Each fossil is a piece of the puzzle. Paleontologists study fossils to understand prehistoric life. They dig them out from rocks and study their features. Fossilized bones, teeth, and shells provide clues about ancient creatures. Sometimes entire skeletons are found. Fossils also tell us about the environments of the past. They show what the Earth looked like millions of years ago. Sometimes fossils are found in unexpected places. This can change our understanding of history. Discoveries are still being made today. New species are found every year. Each discovery adds to our knowledge. Fossils show us how life has changed over time. They are a record of the Earth's ever-changing story. Section 9. Conclusion. The ever-changing Earth. The story of life on Earth is one of change. From before the dinosaurs to long after, each era has its own tale. Life has adapted to a world that is always shifting. This adaptability is the secret to survival. Ancient creatures paved the way for future life. Dinosaurs ruled for millions of years. After them, mammals and birds took center stage. Each period saw incredible diversity and innovation. Today we learn from the past. By studying prehistoric life, we understand evolution better. It gives us insights into how life might evolve in the future. The Earth continues to change, and life will keep adapting. Our journey through time shows the resilience of life. From tiny beginnings, life has spread across the planet. The Earth's history is rich and complex. It is a story of survival and transformation.